If you want to master Adobe Photoshop, the good news is you don't need to learn everything at once. Photoshop is a powerful program, but most professionals rely on just a small set of core tools and techniques every single day. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the essential Photoshop basics you need to build a strong foundation fast. And if you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future tutorials. Let's dive in. The first thing you need to understand is the Photoshop Workspace. When you open Photoshop, you'll see three main areas. On the left side, you have the toolbar. This is where all your tools live, like the Move tool, Brush tool, Crop tool, and Selection tools. In the center, you have the canvas. This is your main working area, where your image or design appears. On the right side, you'll see panels, and the most important one is the Layers panel. Layers are absolutely essential in Photoshop. Think of layers like stacked, transparent sheets. Each layer can hold an image, text, shape, or adjustment. The reason layers are so powerful is that they allow you to edit one part of your design without affecting everything else. For example, if you add text on a new layer, you can move, resize, or delete that text without changing the background image. Mastering layers is the first big step toward mastering Photoshop. Next, let's talk about the most important tools you should focus on. Start with the Move tool. This tool allows you to reposition elements on your canvas. If something is selected in the Layers panel, the Move tool lets you drag it exactly where you want it. The Crop tool is another essential. It helps you resize your image, improve composition, or remove unwanted edges. Simply select the Crop tool, drag the handles, and press Enter to apply. Then you have the Brush tool. This tool allows you to paint directly onto a layer or use it with masks to control visibility. You can adjust the size, hardness, and opacity of your brush at the top settings bar. Selection tools are also critical. Tools like the Lasso tool or the Marquee tool allow you to select specific parts of an image. Once selected, you can move, edit, adjust, or apply effects to only that area. Learning how to make clean selections will dramatically improve your editing skills. Now let's move on to layers and masks, which are the foundation of non-destructive editing. Non-destructive editing means you're not permanently deleting or damaging your image. Instead of erasing part of a layer, you add a layer mask. A mask allows you to hide or reveal parts of a layer using black and white. When you paint black on a mask, you hide that part of the layer. When you paint white, you reveal it again. The beauty of masks is that you can always change your mind. Nothing is permanently deleted. Another core skill is using adjustment layers. Instead of directly changing your image, go to the Layers panel and click on the Adjustment Layer icon. From there, you can choose Brightness and Contrast, Hue and Saturation, or Curves. Brightness and Contrast helps with basic lighting corrections. Hue and Saturation lets you adjust colors. Curves gives you advanced control over highlights, shadows, and overall contrast. Because these are adjustment layers, they remain editable at any time. Finally, once your project is complete, you need to export it properly. Go to File, then Export, and choose Export As. If you're saving a photo, choose JPEG. If you need transparency, choose PNG. Make sure to adjust quality settings, depending on whether the image is for web or print. If you practice these basics daily, understanding the workspace, mastering layers, using key tools, working with masks, and applying adjustment layers, you'll build a strong Photoshop foundation very quickly. Keep practicing, experiment with different images, and don't try to learn everything at once. If this tutorial helped you master Photoshop basics, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.